Hi everyone, and welcome to the Hive Garden Studios, where we'll be hosting a health and scalp pop-up clinic on Saturday the 14th of September between 1 and 5 p.m. Join me, Rochelle Newman, the founder of holistic hair and scalp care brand Nutritionist, and the amazing
Belinda, Asafo-Agyei. I am a trichologist and also the owner of Bell's Beauty Complex and Trinity Trichology Clinic.
We're going to be having some amazing experts on the day who will be giving you all the education and knowledge that you need. We'll have Ola, who's a nutritionist, Anastasia, a hairstylist.
And we're going to have Alexandra, who is a herbalist and also a pharmacist, as well as Angel from Pharma Hermetic, hair restoration expert. Education, healthy hair, healthy scalp is crucial. So on that day, I'll be doing a quick scalp analysis for anyone who is interested to see how their scalp looks like. And on that day, it will be free. However, if you need more expert help into details, you can come to my clinic, which is Trinity Trichology Clinic, to have more insight of what is going on your scalp with a discount.
And this amazing event is sponsored by us and also the Hive Garden Studios and Soft and Free Naturals, who will be giving away goodie bags and everything else. So please visit the link below and also visit newshell.co.uk.
Off your phone, book a ticket, come and have fun. See you there.
See you there.
Ciao,
Bye.
Bella.